If you are looking at some cash or credit cards that you can use for your day-to-day basis like groceries, dining and others, and also you want a credit card that it has no annual fee, then that is what we're gonna be discussing in today's video. Today I'm gonna be listing and explaining 7 best cash or credit cards this year, and the most amazing thing is that they do not have any annual fee. My name is Maverick. Welcome to this channel. Please listen to this disclaimer before you watch this video. It is very important that you know that I am not a financial advisor and the content of this video is for educational purposes only. Now you need to know that cashback rates, fees and terms of credit card mentioned in this video may vary over time, and any products that I recommend in this video is for your benefit and they do not require any additional spending from your hand. In case it's been a while that you watched this video after I've created it, kindly make sure that you go ahead and confirm all the rates and fees that I talked about in this video before you embark on taking action on this video. And it's not also bad if you also consult all the financial advisors that you trust very well before you embark on anything that I say in this video. Alright, now let's head straight to this video and let me list and explain all those credit cards to you so that you can be able to select the best one that works for you and possibly it can help you to change your financial story. The first one on the list right here is the Fidelity Visa card. Now this card offers 2% cash back on every purchases. I like credit cards that offers 2% and more, but anything less than that I'm always a little bit skeptical. All right, now the card C has travel accident insurance, purchase protection and concierge services like household management. So in case you're the kind of person that you like insurance that offers household management, then concierge service is what this credit card offers and is a good one for you and for everyone out there. Although it has a 1% foreign transaction fee, which means if you're a frequent traveler, then you might not really like this aspect. But however, it is still 1% compared to several other credit cards out there that offers like 3% or even more. And why certainly not ideal, at least it leaves the card as an effectively 1% cash back on anyone that is using it outside the United States. All right, now other cards with 3% foreign transaction fee are effectively unusable outside the United States, but not with this card. Okay, this card is effective outside the United States, and not only would you not be earning any net cash back, you'd actually be paying a 1% fee on every transaction, foreign transaction. Okay, so that is just a little bit drawback about the credit card, but it is also a good one for in case you don't travel very much. Okay, in case you're not a regular traveler. Okay, now the second on the list right here is the Citi Custom Cash card. Now you get up to 5% cash back on this card and $500 spending limit. Now that's the drawback about this, because you have a spending limit of $500. Okay, so this means each billing cycle you will earn 5 points per $1 on purchases in your top eligible spend categories on each billing cycle, and up to the first $500 spent and 1 point per dollar on all other purchases. Although this card has no annual fee, just like I said, and you can earn your $200 welcome bonus by spending $1,500 on purchases in the first 6 months of opening your Citi Double Cash credit card account. Okay, although the card points can only be spent on selected categories and it cannot be used on all purchases. Also, it is a very good card if you can pair it with other great cards that can fill other categories. Like if you can pair it with like Chase Freedom Flex or Discover It credit card, then it will be a very good card for you. Okay, if you can pair it with other card. Now it's good for those who want to live on a budget. Okay, so in case you want to live on a budget, maybe you are just a single person, you are not a family person, then it's a good one for you. And maybe even if you're a family person, you just want to use it for personal reason and you want to live on a budget and you don't want to spend more on dining rather than groceries, then it's a good one. But if you're the kind of person that you prioritize dining a lot, you like the luxury, then this might not really be a good one for you. Okay, and the third one here is the Citi Double Cash card. Now it comes with 2% cash back but doesn't have sign up bonuses. Okay, and also card members, you as a card member, you stand the chances of earning 2% cash back by earning 1% cash back on purchases plus an additional 1% cash back as you pay for, those purchases. Okay. Also, it's a very good card for day-to-day grocery purchases. Now, unlike the CD Custom Cash card, okay, this you have more spending limit, okay, of more than $500 with this, with this double cash card, and 500 is the least limit, and you can go more higher than that. Okay, so compared to the CD, CD Custom Cash card, whereby you have a spending limit of $500, this one you have more chances of spending more than that. All right, and though it is not very recommended for overseas purchases because it has 3% foreign transaction fee. Okay, now let's head straight to the fourth on the list, which is the Chase Freedom Unlimited card with the regular benefits like normal offer, okay, of spending $500 to get $200. Then the Chase Freedom Unlimited card is also a good card that you can consider for all all your catch all purchases. Okay, and it comes with no annual fee. Okay, and it has 1.5% cash back on every purchases plus 3% cash back on dining. Okay, so in case you're a luxury spender, then you might want to consider this, although the 1% cash back on other purchases is more lower than the other credit cards that I've listed above here. Okay, so but it's not also bad, and it's a good card, but because of the low cash back, you might need to pair it with other other ones like the Sapphire card to maximize your reward. Okay, you might want to pair it with a Chase Sapphire card to get maximum reward. Okay, and it's just an extra card for anyone who wants to consider it. I can't really say you should use this as your primary card. Okay, it can be a secondary card. Okay, and however the ones above are still much greater. The ones I've listed above, they are still much greater than this card. Right, the fifth on the list right here is the Sophie card. Now the Sophie card is kind of a private card that not a lot of people know about it, but it also has a lot of benefits. Because with the Sophie card, it comes with 3% cash back on all credits purchases in the first 12 months. Okay, and it is outrageous and huge because it has a 3% cash back. Okay, however, it is what it over others. Okay, but it also has unlimited 2% on everything rather than revolving promotion. Okay, another reason why I like the Sophie card is that it has a zero foreign transaction fee, and why it may not be the best in percentage cashback, it is on good level with other credit cards out there. Okay, and you can decide to use it as a main card until your 3% promo is up. Okay, and then you can cancel, okay, and continue to use it for miscellaneous purchases where you can get a higher percentage on other card. All right, and though their support might not be that strong, they have a very poor support as at the time of creating those video. Their support are not really that strong like other cards. So in case you want to mail for fraud on your card or anything, you might not get reasonable support. You might not even get good support. So that is why I added it to the number 50 here. So I just put it there for maybe you just need a secondary card or possibly just a card for your catch all. It's a good one, but their support are not really that okay. And it is also not a Visa card, but it's a MasterCard. So that is why I added it as a number 50. It has a good reward, but the fact that it's not a Visa card but a MasterCard and also the support is why it's in number 5. Okay, so you still need to have other credit cards to match with it for a good credit experience. All right. Okay, so that's about number 5. Now let's talk about the sixth on the list, which is the Bank of America Customized Cash Reward Card. Now the Bank of America Customized Cash Reward Credit Card, it has a 3% cash back in the category of your choice. Okay, and it has an automatic 2% cash back at grocery store and wholesale clubs. Okay, now you earn all these on the first $2,500 which is been spent in combined choice category or grocery store or wholesale club purchases each quarter. Okay, and you get unlimited 1% cash back on all other purchases. Okay, and also it has some really great merchant offers. Okay, you can frequently get 10% off your Lyft, okay, Alaska Airline, and other random shopping. Okay, so they have partnership with that also, whereby you hand that. And it also has a 3% foreign transaction fee, which might not be 100% great for travelers. Okay, so in case you're a frequent traveler, even if you're not a frequent traveler, 3% is kind of high. Okay, so you might want to consider other type of card, but if you're not a traveler, then it's a good choice. Okay, although you will still get cash back, okay, even though you spend in another country, just make sure that you're eligible for points before you decide to use it internationally, because if you're not eligible for points and you use the 3% foreign transaction fee, then you will not earn any cashback. Okay, and it has no annual fee, just like I said, and that makes it a great choice to be among the list. So that is it. Let's talk about the last on the list, which right here is the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card. Now, the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card is an underestimated card, okay, which, it has a lot of benefits, but a lot of people always, look down on it, but it's worth it, okay, because with this card, you can earn 2% cash reward on purchases, okay, and you can also earn $200 cash reward bonus after spending $500 in purchases in the first 3 months, okay, so no categories or bonus reward limits to keep off track. All right, now with this credit card, you also get 3% of each transaction converted to US dollars, which is also very much high on the other side. All right, now with this card, you also earn $200 cash reward bonus when you spend $500 in purchases in the first 3 months, just like I said earlier. And it has a good sign up bonus. Okay, it also has 0% interest intro, and also has cell phone insurance. So in case you get a damaged cell phone, they can help you out to buy another one, okay, or possibly repair your cell phone. And it's good for anyone who prioritizes cashback, right? So this is the list of my best 7 cash or credit card in this year, okay, and also the best cash or credit cards with no annual fee. There are several cash or credit cards out there, but majority of them has annual fee. But with this credit cards, you enjoy free annual fee, and you get a lot of benefits, okay, which are, normal to their level, okay. So you get a lot of benefits with these credit cards. If you have any other, credit cards that that is a catch all credit card and the offer no annual fee, then you can let us know in the comment box. I'm certain that it will help a whole lot of people out there to make the best decision, and possibly, help them to, get a lot of benefits in their spending. And if you've used any of this credit card, maybe you have any of this credit card that you're using presently and you have experience with them in aspects of cashback, you can let us know in the comment box. I like a community whereby we all flow together. Everything I'm saying here, it's just also from experience and researches. So you can also help to, teach other people in the comment box, and, I can also learn from you. So thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate it, and I hope this video is very helpful. If you want any more tutorials around credit card, then make sure that you hit the subscribe button. You can use it to encourage me to keep on doing more tutorials like this, and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new tutorials around credit card. And hit the like button so that YouTube can recommend this video. You see a thumb up button below this video. You can hit it so that YouTube can recommend this video to several other people who are in need of tutorials just like this. Thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate it. I wish you the best in your credit card journey, and I hope you get more catch or credit cards along the way. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.